Hi my friends, how are you? I have a poem for you about a budgie. I got my friend right here, right? He likes to sing. He likes to sing for you. Let me read the poem. I found it on the internet from William Worthless. Karaoke budgie. There was a little budgie. Let's start again. There was a little budgie. He just loved to sing. He was very clever and could sing almost anything. He loved the karaoke down the local bar, hoping maybe someday he could be a star. They held a competition so they could find the best. Budgie made his entry. To him it was a test. Then he began to sing in his budgie voice. Is that true? Is that true? It's true. It's true. He said it's true. Then he began to sing in his budgie voice and won the competition. He was the people's choice. Now he was a star. His dream, it had come. He sings all the time, just like budgies do. Yeah, that was it. That was it. I hope you enjoyed another video from me and from my friend Budgie, of course. His name is Vogel. Vogel. Isn't that right, Budgie? Isn't that? It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. It's true. So there you got it. Thank you for watching another video from me today. I love you, my friends. Till next time. Till soon, I hope. Bye.